Hello everyone, it is a pleasure to be speaking to you today about Vincent Peters vs. Kanye West 2012. I hope you all are having a great day. And so first, an overview of the presentation. I'm going to give a brief summary of the case, then introduce the plaintiff and defendant, then give the facts of the case, the issue at bar, the decision of the court, the rule of law, finally the disposition, and lastly the works cited. So first, who's involved? The plaintiff is Vince Peters, professionally known as Vince P, who is described as an up-and-coming rap artist and hip-hop. And the defendant is Kanye West, a well-known hip-hop superstar. And John Monopoly is also involved in this case, and he is one of Kanye West's producers. So this case involves a song that Vince Peters wrote in 2006 entitled Stronger that he sent to John Monopoly to try to get a deal with him, and the deal never materialized, but Kanye West, who was one of associated with John Monopoly, released a song in 2007 entitled Stronger that had similarities that Peters sued for. The court dismissed Peters' claim, and the Court of Appeals affirmed the district court's decision in 2012. So the lyrics of the plaintiff Stronger were, "What don't kill me make me stronger, the more I blow up, the more you wronger. You copied my CD, you can feel my hunger. The wait is over, couldn't wait no longer." So I'm going to play a little recording of this song.
What don't kill me make me stronger. The more I blow up, the more you wronger. You got my CD, you can feel the hunger. The wait is over, couldn't wait no longer. What don't kill me make me stronger. Every day I hustle like Rick Ross, trying to get a model chick like Katie Mouse. Then traded to another team like Randy Mouse.
And then the defendant's lyrics, "Nana, that don't kill me can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, 'cause I can't get much wronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya." Play a little recording of this as well. So now the facts of the case. In 2006, Vince P wrote, recorded, and distributed the song entitled Stronger that we just heard. And John Monopoly, the producer associated with Kanye West, agreed to be Vince P's producer, but the deal never materialized. And then in 2007, Kanye West released his song entitled Stronger with a similar Nietzsche message as the one Vince P wrote. And then Vince P tried to contact Kanye West, but was turned down by his representatives and not given the time of day after the song was released. Vince P registered a copyright for his song and sued Kanye West. So the issue at bar. Vince P sued West for infringement in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois, and the court dismissed the complaint. Then Vince P appealed, and the Seventh Circuit reviewed the district court's order granting West's motion to dismiss de novo. De novo basically means the court is going to look at it brand new without looking at the previous court's decision or how they tried it. They're just going to try it on their own. And the definition right here, as you can see, is when a court hears a case de novo, it is deciding the issues without reference to any legal conclusion or assumption made by the previous court to hear the case. Typo here. Okay, and so the decision of the court. The district court dismissed his complaint, Peter's complaint, under Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 12b-6, which is the failure to state a claim which relief can be granted. And the Seventh Circuit affirmed, so the Court of Appeals affirmed this decision. The reason that the court ruled this way was the Nietzschean reference, the court stated, was commonly used in songs and poems for centuries and could not be protected by copyright law. The common rhyme schemes, the court ruled, could also not be protected by copyright law. The specific rhyming of stronger, longer, and wronger also could not be protected, and the court stated that both songs mentioned the supermodel Kate Moss, but Kate Moss is a well-known supermodel, and in America and in the West, supermodels and beauty are used in songs a lot, and this could not be considered copyright infringement. The court ultimately stated that the songs share only small cosmetic similarities compared to Peter's claim that they share only small cosmetic differences. And hearing the songs, I want to stop and ask here, after you heard those songs and you read the lyrics, do you think they only share small cosmetic similarities, or would you say they share only small cosmetic differences? Because I don't know if I agree with the court here. Hearing the songs and looking at the lyrics, I would almost agree with Peters that they share only small cosmetic differences. And the court also stated that Kelly Clarkson's song entitled Stronger, that was released around the same time as West, also had the Nietzschean reference and said, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger," and it was about the same. I'm sorry for that, by the way, but it's about the same thing as these songs, and the court cited that in their opinion, along with Steele vs. Turner Broadcasting System, Inc., which was a case that addressed the common rhyme schemes or structure and said that this was not under copyright protection. Ultimately, there was no dispute on whether or not Stronger by Vince Peters was granted copyright protection, but it focused on whether or not there was copyright infringement, and the court ultimately ruled that this could not be considered copyright infringement because the song shared only small cosmetic similarities. So the judgment of the district court was affirmed by the Court of Appeals in the 7th District. And here is my works cited. And so I want everyone to let me know what they think about this case, and if they think this was a fair decision for Peters versus West, if they think that West deserved to win and West deserved to be able to take this idea and make it into a song. Do you think that West ultimately copied or was inspired or stole? What do you think? And do you think the court made the right decision? So let me know what you think, and I'm excited to hear about your cases. Have a great weekend.